Hi everyone, this is Nick Farnell from MGMT 1314 at Niagara College. We're going to go through the sales order process exercise. So as we go through this, make sure that you have the paper document in front of you to be able to follow along as well. So first we're going to log on to SAP, FS1, client number 402, your own user number, so you're not going to type in this number. And we get to the regular screen. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Logistics, Sales and Distribution, Sales, Inquiry, then Create. So here what we're trying to do is create a sales inquiry. So somebody has called us up asking about these bars that we have for sale. In this screen, we're going to type in IN, then here your number, so you're not going to type in 48, FS, distribution channel is DI, and SB is the division that we're going to use. Click the green arrow up top and it should bring you to this screen. Here in the sold to party, if we click on the search button beside it, it'll bring up this new screen. Here you're going to enter your search term, so only your search term. So for me that's 48, for you it's a different number, and click the green arrow. It'll bring up some of the companies that we've dealt with before. So here we're going to click on the West Hills Athletic. I'll just double click here, and that brings up a number here. The sold to party will be different for everybody, but for me it shows 49. On the PO number, we're going to type in WH1, and then your number. So do not type in 48, type in your own number. Then valid from, we're going to click today's date. So if we click beside here, click today's date, and that will work there. Valid to, we're going to click about a month away from now, a weekday a month from now, so we'll say February 19th, and then once you have that, we're going to click the arrow up here. So now it should have populated some other things. It shows the address and the ship to party. Next, we're going to click on the first material field. So this cell here, there's a search button beside it. We click on that. You might have to move over, so move through these tabs by clicking here, and we're going to look for material by material group. And there we go, material by material group. Click the drop down beside it, and you see a new window, and here we're going to click sales. So double click that. In sales, now we have to search for something, and the way you search here is using the asterisk, so shift and 8, or the star key. Sorry, your own number first, and then the star, and click on the search. In this case, we know it's the energy B bars that we're selling this this group. So if we double click on this, now you can see the material has populated there. We want to put in 10 units here, so the order quantity is 10, and then we're going to click the check mark up here. So now you should see 10 items, material, order quantity of 10. It's a case, and the description is a number that'll be different for everybody, but the energy B bar. Next we're going to click that line, and underneath it, down here, we're going to click the item conditions. So make sure you have this highlighted by clicking right here. Then we're going to click on the item conditions. This just tells us any special conditions that we have with this company. So we have some discounts for them. We're not actually going to change anything here, just showing you that under conditions we have a discount applied to their order. Click back to get to this screen. And then next you're going to click Display Availability. So the button down here. Oops. Make sure that you have the row highlighted. And then click Display Availability. And that will bring you to this area. So here we know we want 10 cases. We have to check how many cases we have. So right now we have 1,000. And we know that down here those 1,000 cases are in the area 300. So the warehouse is just named 300. We go back. Now we can save this, and we've finished item number 1.